Hi, it's Mark from WinningSolutionsInc.com and made it through day one here at the Microsoft Partner Conference 2016 in Toronto. It's been a long day, so hopefully going to get back to the hotel and get plenty of rest tonight because tomorrow is day two and it'll be another big long day of exciting information. So the last thing I heard about this evening was Sharepoint. And Sharepoint is something that we're looking at getting into here in the second half of 2016 and 2017 because it is a tool that some of the larger customers use, again, versus some of the smaller ones. But we may be able to find some cool ways to make it work for smaller customers. So we'll be looking at ways to integrate our Microsoft Access skills with that. And so we listened today about what's coming new for Sharepoint. It looks like they're making specific mobile apps for iOS, Android, and Windows Phone to make the SharePoint experience better. If you don't know what SharePoint is, it's kind of an intranet thing. It's a place to put documents. We've run into a lot of situations where people try to use SharePoint as a backend or information store for their Access database. We haven't found that that works very well, and so we tend to suggest that you would use Microsoft SQL Server. I want everybody to know there is a free version of that called the Express Edition. It works great. It has a capacity up to about 10 gig. You can thank open source tools like MySQL for putting the pressure on Microsoft to come up with such a technology and make it free with such power. That is a lot of data scalability for a small business. It's not a lot for big business, but for small business, it's quite a bit. Especially given that Access can store about 2 gigs of data. So it's 5 times the capacity, works with Access, and then it gives you a pathway if you are growing. You know, hey, if you're not growing, that's okay. If you've just got a nice steady business that makes you money year over year, there's nothing wrong with that, and don't let anybody tell you that there is. But if you are in a rapidly growing business and you need to be able to move through databases, we can move you from Access to SQL Server, and SQL Server will really allow you to grow. Very big organizations like Dell.com and NASDAQ are run on SQL Server, so it really does run big stuff. But it is nice that Microsoft has a way to kind of give you the power that the big guys have, but on a small scale. So we're going to try to see what SharePoint can do. We're also getting ready to enter some new markets in the second half of 2016 and 2017 that we're kind of excited about. We think we'll probably need SharePoint in those markets because that's what the users utilize there. So we'll be looking to bring on some new people and some new experts in those areas to help us fulfill those needs as we grow those businesses. So we're excited about that, and that's what this partner conference is all about. It's a chance for me to come here, learn about what's going on with SharePoint, see how that might be applicable, bring that back to the team at WSI that I work with, my colleagues there, and let them know what's going on with it so we can kind of come up with our plan and make sure we're on target doing what you need us to do so that we can give you the most bang for your buck to help your business. So with that, I'm going to call it a day here at day one of Microsoft Partner Conference 2016 from Toronto. Look forward to more videos on day two. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to have a more direct chat with us about these capabilities, SharePoint Access, SQL Server, other Microsoft technologies, go ahead, head on over to our webpage, WinningSolutionsInc.com. From there, you'll find a multitude of ways to contact us. We'll be glad to talk to you and learn about your situation and see if we're a good fit. If we're not a good fit for you, we'll let you know up front. But if we think we can help you out, we'd be glad to, expand on that dialogue further. So again, thanks for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and look for some more videos. Thanks.